Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hunter. This is my personal laptop. It's an Asus A15. Specs are Ryzen 7 4800H, RTX 3050, 512 gigs of SSD and 8 gigs of RAM, which we are gonna upgrade to 32 gigs. You can see we have 8 gigs of single channel memory. Let's open it up. Right here is the occupied RAM slot and below is the empty one. So guys, I'll be using 2 sticks of ADATA 16GB RAMs. Link in description. Remember to go for X8 version as it is faster than X16 one. So here you can see now it shows 32 gigs. Our RAM is now dual channel. That's all for the video guys. Hope you learned something new. See you in the next one.